add the butter, which is probably self-explanatory. I just put it in the microwave, and I'm going to be mixing that up. Okay, and so with this needs to be pushed down into the tray. So I just use my hand and push it down. It doesn't have to go right up the side because we're only using 1 tin of condensed milk, and the condensed milk, yeah, it doesn't make a huge amount of mixture to go in. So it's not like I made a cheesecake. I made a pina colada cheesecake for Christmas. Oh, it was so nice, but that mixture came right up to the top here. So that's the base, and I'm just going to pop that in the fridge while we make our lemon and our meringue. Okay, this is how I separate the whites and my egg yolks. I don't have any fancy separator. I just do it by hand. So I just crack the egg open, and it's probably how a lot of people do it. Okay, and then just pop the yolk in there. Yeah, it's not ideal having little bits in there, especially when you're whisking it to make an egg white. So yeah, that's how I do it. We need 3 egg yolks, and we need 1 whole egg to put in the lemon mixture. Oops. We'll just get a bit of shell out. If there's any little bits and pieces in the egg white, it's going to be hard to mix and to beat up and to become stiff. So just make sure that any little bits and pieces or shells, and make sure definitely you don't get any egg yolk in it, because you can still use it, but it's just not going to have that nice, stiff, glossy appearance. All we do now is add all these ingredients together. So we've got our condensed milk, 1 tin of sweetened condensed milk. When I was little, I used to love this. I used to just, when Mum used to cook things, I used to lick the spoon and try to get everything out of the tin. Okay, so I add 1 whole egg, 3 egg yolks, we'll add the passion fruit pulp and seeds, we'll add the lemon juice, This mixture has been sitting here a little bit for about 10-15 minutes because my daughter just Skyped.
Hi guys. Hi. I don't know what to say.
We're selling a trailer. Everyone's messaging about that. So I've been sidetracked, but yeah, it was quite runny, but now yeah, it's starting to set a bit, which is a good sign. So it should set even more in the oven. Now we're going to put the egg white I separated earlier into the bowl. And first thing we're going to do is beat that until soft peaks form. Ideally with egg white, when you're beating it for pavlova or meringue, room temperature is the best. This is sort of warmed down a little bit, but it was cold, so I just got the eggs out of the fridge. Okay, but we'll see how. Okay, so this is the consistency we want it at. Where you can see the soft peaks. When you pull it up there, it's sort of standing up on its own. It's not flopping down. Soft peaks are forming. So that looks really good. You can see it's really stiff, glossy, and perfect actually. I'll turn this off. We'll pour the lemony passion fruit condensed milk mixture in. Yeah. No, that's a really good consistency. This is just so yummy. What am I going to do when my passion fruit run out and it's not passion fruit season anymore? I'm going to be in trouble. And we'll pop the meringue mixture. Sometimes I sort of like to do it pretty like in big, like sort of pattern, rather than just plopping it all on and spreading it out. So I just sort of scoop it on like this. Oh yeah. Okay, well that's what it looks like before it goes in the oven. Okay, this is where we've put the passion fruit down the front of our property. So our house is up there, passion fruit road. So when people come down the road, they can see the passion fruit. Actually, my husband put it in this morning. I might just adjust it so it's a bit more on an angle. But yeah, we've been selling these. They've been selling for 50 cents each. And we've been making quite a bit from it. Well, a little bit anyway. I think we've made about $25 probably since we started selling them. And a lot of the time it's been raining, so we haven't been able to put them down. So that's what we've been doing. Peter's vanilla ice cream and scooping it into this bowl and stirring it, giving it a good stir. Okay, so what I might do now is cut the passion fruit and we'll add it to the ice cream. It has softened a little bit, the ice cream, but that's okay. I think we can just add the passion fruit while it's softening. The thing is with the passion fruit, I want to get the pulp. I just don't want to get the fibrosy, because sometimes you can be get a clump of really fibrous stringy white stuff. I don't really want to get that in there. I want to get just more the juice, and I want to get the seeds. Yeah, I got a heap of passion fruit out, but I don't think I'll put it all in. Okay, I'll cut up a few and then I'll add it to the ice cream. More. I had a good idea for a name of a fashion label. Could be called, and it was inspired by my passion fruit line. It could be called Fashion Fruit. What do you think? Okay, so that I think is pretty well. Oh, it's so pretty. Such a lemony colour. So what I'm going to do now is put this mixture into some containers and we'll pop it in the freezer and let it set.